Hello, 8th grade. This is Miss Whittem. I am just letting you know that I am creating this video because we're having some confusion about how to turn in assignments. Last week, I had an overwhelming number of you that either did not do the assignment or you did not turn it in the correct way so that I could grade the assignment. Please, please, please come to the Google Meets if you are not sure how to do this, and I will help you. We will work it out, or you need to email me, communicate with me. However, I've tried to respond to those of you that have done it incorrectly, and I need you to let me know if you're having trouble. Again, if you look onto your 8th grade science page, you see our Google Meet link right here and our meet times. My page looks different than yours. This is your pacing guide right here. Last week you had 2 assignments, the carbon cycle, this is the lesson, this is the activity submission form. Human impact on Earth, this was the lesson, this was the human impact activity submission form. For carbon cycle, when you go into it, you will see that it has on that first page notes. The notes are not your assignment. The notes are to help you as you walk through the lesson to take notes on what you're learning. If you go to the last page of the lesson, it gives you the activity. The activity is called the Carbon Cycle Activity Worksheet. If you click on it, it opens up the worksheet. You have 10 questions to respond to. You can, if you scroll down to the bottom, print this, or you can open File, which will download a copy of it onto your Chromebook, which you can save in your drive and then upload to me later. If it's on your drive, you can edit it and you can type in your responses. If you do it from your drive, you need to make sure you share it with me so that I can view it when you upload it. On this sheet, you had to answer these 5 questions based on the image up here, and then respond to these 5 questions by using this image. If you had to write numbers 1 through 10 on paper and answer it by hand, or print this assignment out and write on it, you just need to take a picture of it and upload that picture so that I can give you a grade. Again, this is the worksheet for carbon cycle. You would then come here to the carbon cycle submission form. Mine, of course, looks different than yours because I'm not a student. You would upload it here, submit your work, and then I would be able to grade it. Human impact on Earth was the same way. If you click on it, you would have to go to the very last screen to get the assignment. This is the guided notes. They are not your assignment, but they are additional to help you move through the lesson. When you get to slide 8, it tells you that your assignment is a human impact on Earth lab report. Using this activity, you will complete this report. It's a data table about New York City, the Amazon rainforest, and the Sahara Desert. You would collect your data and write down your measurements, and you would write your recommendations to decrease human impact. There are also 3 analysis questions for conclusion that you would need to respond to. Again, just like the first lab activity, you can print or download and open this file so that you can have multiple ways to respond to this activity. This is the assignment for human impact on Earth. You would then upload it here under the submission section for human impact on Earth. And that would have you be completed with the activity for week 2 work. For week 3, which is what we're starting on Monday, natural resources and minerals is what you will be working on. It says using this website, and this is a link, you will take notes about our Earth's resources, physical and chemical properties of minerals, fossil fuels, and mineral identification. If you click on this link, it takes you to this error. You need to click here and it will redirect you to that web page. If you look under where it says Unit 1, you can see these drop-down tabs show you physical properties, chemical properties, minerals, ores, mineral identification for you to take notes with. The second activity that you have to do for natural resources and minerals is the mineral identification gizmo. If you open this, it just brings you to the login for Gizmo, and you can log in. If you have a login from years past and you can get to the gizmo, you can use that, but I don't believe that it'll allow you to get to mineral identification. So included in the email, which I'm sending this link, and I will also post it as announcements, I will give you a class login for Gizmo. It will be the same for everyone, and you should be able to get to the activity. The mineral identification gizmo has a worksheet that goes with it that you should have to log in, or that you should have to download and answer the questions. On Tuesday and Thursday, I will be going through the gizmo with you during our Google Meets to help you with working through that activity. If you have any additional questions, please let me know.